So when we go to the average, we can use uh, what we any either the formula or the function. How can we use the formula to come out with the average? So the actually, what is average? Average refers to the total number of items you divide to the number of items. You first add everything in a set, in a class, in a grouping, in the selection, in a range that you want to deal with. Then you divide it by the number of items you have added. How can we do that? We are now using the formula, which I told you that we customize it ourselves. So we are going to type equals average. So you select number one is where. Sorry. We are using the formula. We are using a formula, not a function. We are using a formula and we are going to add up ICT marks. Then we add it to biology marks. Then we add it to French marks. We add it to English marks. We add it to chemistry. Then those are how many? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. So we are going to divide everything to the number of items, which are 5. But before that, I had to include this everything in a comma. We had to include everything in the brackets. I had to include everything within the bracket because we want to divide each and everything to the number of items, which is 5. Okay. So when we do like this, okay. Have you seen what I did? I just put there 5, but remember we have to include that symbol for division, that operation symbol for division, and we use what we call the forward slash, but not the backward slash. When you use this slash, it won't work. So we use what we call the forward slash, but not the backward slash. So we can delete this for backward slash. So our formula for the average mark would be like that. We have added everything, then we have divided everything by the number of items, which is 5. As simple as that. So how can we simply use the function now? Let's use the function. Now let me first delete everything and I use the function. So I will say equals average. Then I open a bracket. After opening the bracket, then I select the number of items or the range in which I want to find their average. So I close the bracket like this. So when you do like this, you have said you have typed equals average, then you have selected the number of. So the computer or the system of Excel or spreadsheet will automatically detect that you want to come out with the total number of items divided by the number of items just by this one, because it is already in the system. The same applies to the other operations also for the sum and the rest. So with the use of the function, the computer or the system will automatically detect what you want to come out with. So it will compute it itself by the other use of the formula. You'll be customizing everything. So with the function, computer that is with the use of the function. But with the formula,